Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start with safety and verification. Confirm the extension socket's voltage and amp rating match your device and outlet. Turn off power at the wall or unplug the source. You must work on a de-energized circuit. Once done, examine the plug pins, cable sheath and earth continuity closely so you know what you are connecting. Now orient the plug correctly, earth first if present, and insert straight, not at an angle. You want firm contact and no wiggle. Now you continue by opening the extension housing and locating the line, neutral, and earth terminals. They are marked. Strip about 6 to 8 mm of insulation from each conductor, twist the strands neatly and avoid nicking the copper. Insert each conductor fully into its correct terminal. Once seated, tighten the screws to firm feel, not crushing, to ensure reliable contact. Finally, engage the cable clamp or strain relief so any tug pulls on the housing, not the wiring. Finish by reassembling the cover and securing screws evenly so the housing sits flush. Restore power and test the extension with a known device, then verify correct polarity and earth with a socket tester. If everything works, run a short load test to confirm stability. If a breaker trips, you see sparks, or a tester fails, turn off power immediately and recheck connections. Tightness and correct terminal placement. That single trouble.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.